What is AI? You've heard the term, you've nodded in meetings. But let's be honest, you don't really know. Good news, most people don't. Bad news, it's already grading your kids' homework. Let's define it before it defines you. AI just means software that mimics human thinking. It finds patterns, makes decisions. And now it talks back. It doesn't feel, it doesn't understand. But it fakes both convincingly enough to pass for human in Slack. There are two main types. Narrow AI like your spam filter or Maps app, and generative AI, the weird one that writes poems and argues with your uncle. It reads millions of examples and guesses what comes next. Sometimes it's brilliant. Sometimes it thinks you're pregnant because you bought antacids. One AI tool now writes apologies for influencers. It once apologized to a forest. Right now, AI decides who gets hired, who gets credit, who gets an A, and who gets flagged by police. It's not always accurate, it's just confident. So what is AI? It's your overconfident intern with Wi-Fi and zero accountability, and it's already in your office. Asking what is AI in 2025 is like asking what's electricity in 1950. You can live without knowing. Just not for long, especially once your fridge starts sending passive-aggressive alerts about your sodium intake. Subscribe to Outsmart AI, and thanks for watching.